Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. The Bustamante Industrial Trade Union, BITU, has signaled that it will not rest until the rights of the employees at Flow are restored. Vice President of BITU, Rudolph Thomas, says Flow has stopped offering some benefits to workers, although they are contractually obligated to do so.
So collective labor agreements between the company and the unions representing the workers has been under attack. It would appear that the management now is hell-bent on trying to remove benefits that the workers would have had. Over time, that would have served them well.
In addition to joining the regional push to get Flow to comply, Mr. Thomas says the BITU has moved to get the Labour Ministry involved.
There are actually a couple of instances of that we are forced at this point to raise with our Labour Ministry. It's almost as if shut up and take it. But we're at a point where we can't take it. So whilst we are not against anybody, we don't want to crucify anybody. What we're inviting is the discussions that return us to a place where there is decent industrial relation practices.
In the meantime, Flow is denying the claims by the trade unions. In a statement to TVJ News, Flow said it is in compliance with the labor laws and rules and continuously reviews its practices and policies to ensure they are adhered to. The Jamaican dollar continued to slide against the US dollar today for a second week in a row. Over the last 2 weeks, the dollar has lost 5% of its value to the US dollar. At the end of trading today, the greenback sold for $132.20. The Canadian dollar is going for $99.82. It now costs $172.06 for the pound sterling, while the euro went for $148.18. On the stock market, the JSE index gained 148 points today, while the junior market index lost 26 points. Stocks posting gains: Express Catering, Everything Fresh, Jamaica Producers Group, Knutsford Express Services, and 138 Student Living. On the losing side were Medical Disposables and Supplies, Paramount Trading, Berita Investments, Siboney Group, and Pulse Investments. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.